Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in California, USA. Welcome, I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for investors living in California. Yes, how to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrencies, altcoins. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. If you want to use 20% commission kickback code and links, in the description section you can find. Now, there is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. What is this? In this website you can find all information about cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card or PayPal, where to buy Bitcoin. Yes, and articles about all coins. There is the important point. Can you see list of top cryptocurrencies? We can click this button. In this page, we can find important coins and informations about these coins. Yes. Now, we want to buy Bitcoin in California. Firstly, if we need information about Bitcoin, we can click this button. In this page, you can find all informations about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in California, USA? Just one click. Click this button.